JP Ruiz, no?
I wish to direct this question to Senator Trillanes. Senator, of course, it is very much apparent that the former president has this animosity against you. And he's very vocal about that even during interviews. Can you please enlighten us? Saan ho ba nagmumula itong or nag-umpisa itong animosity na ito?
Palagay ko po dahil sa Davao ho, hindi sanay sila ng walang tumitindig sa kanya, no. So that's one, and another is alam niya na na-decode ko na siya. So kumbaga yung all the charade nababasa ko na po, Mr. Chairman.
So would you say that this animosity has something to do with the Senate investigation that you initiated and conducted?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. And even before that, when I openly opposed him during the campaign of 2016, Mr. Chairman.
Which happened first, the campaign or the
Tapos,
Senate investigation?
The campaign started first,
I
Mr.
see.
Chairman.
So the first rivalry, should I say, or opposition happened because of the campaign,
Yes,
and
Mr.
then it was followed sometime thereafter by the Senate investigation on their possible involvement on dangerous drugs. Tama po ba?
Nung una po, yung Senate investigations, it's about the extrajudicial killings. Itong mga ano po, yung involvement nila sa illegal drugs came after bumaliktad po si Mr. Las Cañas at nalaman namin yung inside story.
Please enlighten us, Senator. Anong taon po yung nagkalaban po ba kayo sa election?
Hindi po. I was supporting a different presidential
I
candidate
see.
in 2016.
So that was 2016.
Yes.
How about your investigation on EJK? Anong taon po ito?
2016, around July or August, Mr. Chairman.
So it's also 2016,
Yes.
month of August. And then you said it was followed by the revelation coming from Colonel Las Cañas. Kailan po nangyari itong kay Colonel Las Cañas, which prompted you to conduct an investigation on dangerous drugs?
Yes, around February. Oh, no. Initially, ma'am, when he turned as a witness, he was just only revealing information about his involvement in extrajudicial killings. And that period was a very short period because immediately the DOJ fast-tracked cases against him, so we needed to get him out of the country at the time. So then we only got to find out about all this involvement in illegal drugs by Duterte himself when he started giving the information as an insider, Mr. Chairman.
Senator, I understand that you are associated with the former Senator De Lima. What is your appreciation about the seeming similar animosity of the former president against Senator De Lima?
It's the same, Mr. Chairman, because Senator De Lima, when she was still the chairman of the Commission on Human Rights, investigated Duterte for the EJ case in Davao. And according to the testimony of Mr. Matobato and eventually Mr. Las Cañas, Mr. Duterte was really bothered by that investigation. He really feared that he would be made to account for all the killings he did in Davao. So eventually, when the opportunity came, when he was president, he wanted to make a sample out of Senator De Lima so that it would create a chilling effect among the senators, and it was very effective. He totally fabricated the cases against Senator De Lima, and most of my colleagues in the Senate then feared that whatever is happening to Senator De Lima at the time could happen to them if they don't